Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can show delivery date in Woocommerce, so let's get started. First, go to Woocommerce and then go to the delivery time slots then settings. Check the box Enable delivery date and time. This will activate the time slot selector on your checkout page. Now, open your store's checkout page. You'll see a new section called Delivery Time Slots, where customers can choose their delivery date and time. If you want to simplify the process, go back to Settings and enable Expected Delivery. This option automatically shows customers the estimated delivery date without requiring them to select a slot. Next, navigate to the Time Slots tab. Here, you can create custom slots such as 8 am 10 am or 1 p.m. 3 p.m. based on your delivery schedule. Finally, use the Holidays tab to block out dates when delivery is unavailable. You can set recurring days like weekends or special occasions, such as national holidays and store breaks. With delivery time slots for Woocommerce, you give your customers more control and convenience while keeping your delivery process organized and efficient. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.